Hi, I'm Richard Giddy from ActiveImage, and today we're going to go through a quick demonstration of creating bootable media with the IT Pro Edition. Next thing we do is select which version of Windows ADK we want to use. We have the latest PE version 10, Windows 10 ADK, which supports Server 2019. You might have a requirement for an older version of WinPE. They are available. You can just download and select which one you want to use here, then select next. Next thing we do is add our device drivers. You can see here it's listing the device drivers that are unique to the machine that I'm running it on. You can also add any other drivers you might want to include by selecting their int file. There's also a tick box down the bottom right hand corner, create a 32-bit version. Click next. And here we've got a communication port setting. So if you're running it across the network to make sure all the features work, change that to something that will get through your firewalls. Click next. Okay, so next we have a massive differentiator here. We give you the option to create an ISO image, USB device, even an executable file. Again, if you could run that across the network, set up your port in the builder, we can set a validity date. So I could set this for a project for a ISO image that's going out on site. For this demo, I'm just going to select ISO image, just give it a name, the location of where I want to save it, then click next. Now we've just got the option here, we just create the IT edition, and we've got a nice little summary here telling us which version, which PE version we used, the additional drivers, the options we selected, media type, and obviously the expiration date. Once this is built, you're done. That's your bootable media from ActiveImage. Thanks for listening.